searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the.
Alright, excellent. We are here at the Tata Harrier.ev drive, and we're going to drive on an off-road track. I've got with me Utkarsh, who's going to be my instructor and help me navigate through this track. Utkarsh, before we even begin, tell me something. Is this a track that you've made specifically for this vehicle?
Yes.
Or
No, actually not specifically for this vehicle. You can bring the other cars here as well for the test. It's common.
so it's like a challenging track for this one. All right, let's see whether the Tata Harrier.ev can actually go around this track or not. How many obstacles do we have?
We are doing about 9.
9 obstacles. All right, let's go. Okay, we good? We're on drive?
Yeah.
What mode are we on? Normal.
Right now normal, I'll be switching you to sand mode soon.
Okay, let's go. So speed, we're going to keep the speed below 10 kilometers an hour, 8 kilometers an hour, right? And
Yeah,
also,
the first obstacle, sand pit. And you can use these to align yourself. This is interesting. Happy about this.
yeah. There you go.
Turn left.
Light right. And the first obstacle, sand pit.
Now we are going on to the articulation.
Brilliant. So we're going to do everything slow. We've got a marshal to help us out.
Right. Keep straight now. Steering straight. Little on the right. Straight. Little on the right.
There you go.
So, one more to go.
There you go.
Slow and stop. And pushing you to snow and glass. We have got ice bricks on your right. Left we have got the rock bed.
No way. So this was not there on the Harrier day, right? So this is something that we're going to do extra over here, so that we can take the EV to Leh.
Yeah.
All right, excellent. Let's go. Excellent stuff. So Tarsh, how long have you been doing this?
16 years.
16 years. And what's the most challenging obstacle course that you've done? This isn't the one. I'm
The
sure.
natural ones.
The natural one.
Natural.
Where was it?
Keep on the left and keep left. Don't go on this.
Okay.
Keep it and continue.
Where was this?
This was Goa Rainforest Challenge.
Rainforest Challenge. I've heard interesting things about that challenge. Any crazy stories?
I'll be able to share you after the course because we have got multiple back-to-back obstacles.
Excellent.
I have shifted you to mud and ruts at the moment. We'll be going through this. You see the Tata EV flag over there?
Yep.
So we have to take a huge right inside this bridge.
Okay.
So take a little wider turn for
Okay.
you to align inside the bridge. That's all.
All right, let's go.
You don't have to push much inside this.
Okay.
Speed can be anything that you want.
Anything that we want.
You just don't splash around so that camera people are alive.
Excellent, excellent. Let's do this. It doesn't even feel like it's going on a muddy surface, right? Like you see the slippage on the tire, but it's not that much. It grips really well, right?
Take that.
Why?
Full right, full right.
Wider
right.
turn? Okay.
Full right.
All right. Excellent. This feature, I believe, is going to be an off-roader's delight on this vehicle, right? Because it's
Keep going. Keep moving.
okay.
Keep moving.
There you go.
Slow. And now we have stairs down.
Now we have stairs down. All right, excellent. Got some help from the expert there.
And we go to the right.
All right.
We will be doing an incline slope, say about 30 to 34 degrees. Keep right, keep right. Show me there.
Okay. And okay, we're gonna do the incline slope over here.
Yeah.
So this is what, 30, 32
Between
degree?
30 to 34.
30 to 34.
This is right.
Alright.
More right, more to the right, more to the right. Keep going, more to the right, more to the right.
Excellent,
More to
excellent.
the right, more to the right, more to the right, more to the right.
Yeah, we should always check this out as well.
Keep going, keep going.
When you've got
Keep
tech,
going. Little on the left.
when you've got such a tech-loaded vehicle.
Keep going, keep going. Little on the right, little on the right.
This is so accurate,
Yeah.
right?
On the left, on the left.
The-
Focus there, please.
The precision. Go more, go more. Go more.
You're almost there.
He was so close, man.
It's okay.
So where are we going? Here?
Yeah, to the right. There.
Excellent stuff.
Shifting into rock crawl mode.
So this was obstacle number what?
This was 1, 2, 3,
Four,
4, 5, 6. We're on 7th now.
We got 3 more to go.
Yeah.
The 7th one is
Rock.
rocks. So the rock mode you can easily use to cross over shallow rivers, right?
Yes.
Like off Uttarakhand, Himachal,
Yes.
wherever you want to go.
Turn left, align yourself. I will be pushing on both mode for now. Keep going left, keep going left. Stop. Okay. When you climb this,
Yeah.
even if you feel the car is not having a power to go climb, please do not give the gas. Stay there, she will fly.
Okay. Excellent.
Because normally like people tend to like into the ice engines, you tend to hold the rev and you stay there.
Correct.
Here if you go off the gas, you cut off the motor, you come back. So you just stay there, right?
And this is a feature very unique to the EVs, right? In general, and that's where the Harrier.ev kind of comes in the picture as well. All right. What's our incline angle over here?
34 degree.
34 degree. There you go.
No,
Full boost. Okay. Excellent.
not 100%, not 100%.
There you go.
Stay there, stay there, stay there. That's about it.
Yeah. There you go.
No?
Two tries, eh?
Yeah.
There you go. Are we aligned?
Yes.
Okay.
Staying straight.
Straight steering. A bit on the brake,
Yes.
or just let it go.
No.
The car is like mad.
Right, right. Keep right. You have to go there.
And turn from there.
Turn from there. Keep the tree on your right.
Yep.
Take a wider turn here.
Okay. You go from there, right?
Yeah. And now we are left with 2 more obstacles. However, we can count these as the 2 obstacles. So we have done 9, 10 and 11.
And 11.
Okay, so
All right, brilliant. How many times did you see people getting stuck on the incline? 3 times? I was the 3rd guy. Next level.
we'll keep it slow. Straight, straight and straight, straight and straight, straight and straight. Going, keep going, keep going. Stop. Going. Right, right, right. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
There you go, there you go.
And you're out. Align yourself for the seesaw. Slow on this. And I'll ask you to go. Keep going. Slowly, slowly. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Little more. Little more.
There
And brake.
you go.
Hot on the right.
Crazy.
Full right, full right.
Oh, that was really fun. Thank you so much, Utkarsh.
You're welcome. Hope you had fun.
I really had a lot of fun, and thanks for telling me I was the third guy who stalled doing the incline.
I did not say anything.
But-
I did not say anything.
but hey, you know, that's the beauty of vehicles like these.
Yeah.
Like even when you were on an incline like that, you knew that you were in a safe space. You know, you knew that the car would hold back. If you let it go back, it'll just climb over there. Thank you so much, Utkarsh, for doing this. I hope you enjoyed
Yes.
this crazy drive with me.
Yeah, fun.
Over here. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed my off-roading experience on the Tata Harrier.ev drive over here in New Delhi. My instructor Utkarsh did have his moments with me, but he was very supportive and he actually made me navigate the obstacle course with ease. One thing is for sure that the Tata Harrier.ev is a tech-loaded electric vehicle in 2025 that is a capable off-roader, and that is testament to where Tata is going with their EV journey in India. Tell me in the comments, if you get a Harrier.ev, will you be off-roading with it? If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends, and always wear a seatbelt, drive safe, and respect the drivers around you.